If you are interested in how I go from this to this, just keep on watching.
Crown baller, take one, action.
Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. First things first, before we even get into this video, honey, if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's almost like, what are you doing at this point? We're about to go into a new year, a new season, baby. You need to hit that red subscribe button down below. It's free. We're here to have a good time. Just click it. Just click it. Also, turn that post notification bell on so you know when I post new videos, of course. And if you're not following me on all my social medias, it's almost like, what are we doing here? Make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias. They'll be on the screen. If not, they'll be in the description box below. And y'all know how this goes. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so as you guys can tell from the title, we're here to do some at-home lashes, DIY lashes, DIY individual clusters, faux minks. We want salon approved lashes at home for cheap. All of the lashes that I use in this video are Ardell lashes, just different variations. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly which ones I use, and they were all under $7. Yes, I said it, $7. I'm just going to show you guys how I do a fill-in on myself. As y'all can see, we looking real crusty. Got a few speckles here and there. It's time to get myself a fill-in. It's been about 2 weeks, so we're definitely coming up on that time. So of course, I'm gonna share with you guys how to do that. So if you are interested in how I go from this to this, just keep on watching. So I am going to do a either voiceover or just let you guys kind of watch me work. Before I get into it, I just wanted to share with you guys the type of lashes that I'm using. And of course, all of these lashes will be down in the description box. Make sure you guys click on them Amazon links. Go shop my Amazon store so that you see all my DIY lash essential pickups. What I have on my eyes right now is the 3D mink individuals, the faux mink individuals. These are the These are the mediums, but I do have short as well as long. I do have a pack that's like almost gone. So I'm gonna use the rest of these and then I'm kind of just gonna fill in where I need to. So lastly, I'm just using the regular individual. These are just the natural lash clusters right here, as you guys can see. So these aren't as full, they're not as thick. They're just giving you that natural volume. So again, I'm just gonna let you guys watch, or it could be a voiceover, but of course, I'm gonna be here for y'all. So let's get into this video.
Okay, so let's hop on in. I'm just showing you guys the type of lash glue that I'm using. It is the Ardell Lash Tight Dark Adhesive, and this is literally just a bigger size of that bottle. I prefer that one because I get more for less, of course. So I just put some of that glue inside my little tray that I'm using. It's real ghetto, don't mind me, but I just want to kind of let it start to get tacky while I prep my lashes. So you guys see from the title, we know that this is a fill-in ish, but what I'm gonna do is I just want to start on super fresh lashes. Like, I don't want to work on old lashes, so I don't have to worry about none falling off and having to fill them in, none of that. So I am very, very, very gently removing the lashes that I have on my eyes. Of course, I prepped my eyes by washing my face very good and then using some toner, alcohol free, of course, to wipe my eyes. And so with that, it helps my lashes be very clean. So what I'm doing is literally squeezing very gently with my tweezers the base of those lashes where the glue is still there, and then I'm pulling them off so gently. So make sure y'all be careful. We don't want to lose no lashes, okay? So I'm using the 3D Faux Mink Medium Blacks. And I'm just showing you guys kind of how I pull them off very gently. Again, we don't want to lose or destroy any lashes, okay? That's money, okay? We don't want to lose no money, praise God. So I drag my lash along my tacky glue that I have in my tray, and then I gently place them at the very bottom of my lash line. I don't put them on my waterline, and I don't put them too close to my waterline, but I put them very close to the very bottom of my actual lashes. So you guys can see there, it looks like it's really low, but it's still only on my lashes. And what I do is I hold the lashes on, or I hold the cluster against my natural lashes for a little bit to kind of keep them together. And then sometimes, as you can see, I use my tweezers to just press the faux mink lash into my natural lash, just to kind of give it some extra adhesive, like a little push, if you will. So I'm just continuing this process along my eye. It's very simple. Sorry, my mirror was in the way. I was really into it, child. But it's very simple. You just want to make sure that you're not putting the lash on your actual skin or your lash line, because one, it's going to irritate your eye if you put it on your waterline. Very much so. You're going to feel it. It's going to burn. Like, baby, it's going to be very uncomfortable for you. And also, it's going to last a lot longer if you're making sure that you're putting the glue along your actual eyelash. Okay. If you want to use another pair of tweezers to kind of single out your eyelashes to almost add more lashes, you can do that. I don't really know how to do that, if I'm just being 100% honest. I don't really know how to do that, and this method just works for me. This is probably my, I don't know, 3rd or 4th lash video on my channel, and I'm just showing you guys how I do my lashes at home. Like, we here to save money, boo. We here to be efficient and all of that goodness. So I started on the outside with the mediums. I started on the outside with the longs, and then once I got to the middle of my eye, I went in with the medium clusters, and then the closer to the corner crease of my eye, I go in with some shorts. So like right here, I'm putting shorts on so that we have that like almost like cat eye effect, where it goes from small, and then it gets a little bit higher in height, and then it gets a little bit longer as well as you get to the end of your eye, and that's going to create a little cat eye type of a vibe for us. And the lashes themselves are really like wispy, so they're giving us, as you guys can see on the screen, everything that we need to have. Yes, God. It's just something about a fresh set of lashes, child. And it's just also something about the fresh set when you're doing for free. You know what I'm saying? Like, these lashes is like $6-7, boo. That's it. That's all they were. Like, it just feels good. So to continue the finishing touches of our lashes, I just use my little spoolie, and I'll go ahead and like brush them out to make sure everything is flush, uniform, and in the same direction. Everything's going together. And then I use this little, it's actually like an individual strip applicator. I use that to kind of press the lashes into my lash. Okay, babe, so here is the finished little look or whatever. Let me grab my mirror and give out the last little touches or whatever. I only ended up using the rest of my 1 pack of 3D faux mink lashes, and then a little bit of the shorts. Normally I would go in on the top and like add some more lashes to give me a little bit more volume and fullness, but I think that we good where we at today. I'm gonna just keep baby where she is. Thank you all so much if you made it to the end of this video for watching. Make sure if you liked it, you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any comments, questions, or concerns. Love you so freaking much. I can't wait to see you on the next one. Give me a kiss.